This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, 9 strategically placed speakers, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, a power driver's seat, cruise control, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Harris Ford Lincoln is Washington State's largest volume Ford dealer. We carry a huge available inventory of both new and pre-owned vehicles, priced to market and ready to own. We are a transparent dealership that shows you everything you need to buy with confidence. And because of that, we are also Washington's leading Google-rated Ford Lincoln dealer.